Hello Ascenders, and in this video we're going to be doing blush nails, otherwise known as Aurora nails, cold girl nails. So our story starts at, I got some PR from the nail company, Nail Reserves. They gave me 6 different gels in this box, a beautiful berry cream, a gray, a dazzling silver glitter, a wonderful pale pink, also this beautiful sapphire glitter blue. I almost can't even handle it because it's so gorgeous. And then this blush pink. And you know what I was thinking? Can you see it? I can see it. Blush nails with this? Let's do it. I'm gonna ask my friendly neighborhood Slap to help me out by holding my press-on nails. I'm gonna be designing my own. To me, this is a really nice blush color, but I want it to be a little more translucent. So I'm gonna add some gel top coat to this gel polish. I'm gonna mix it together and it just makes it a little more transparent. You can do this with gel polish if you want to make more of a jelly-like effect. I'm gonna take that and apply it to the nails. It's making it look blushy, I like that. I'm going to turn the nails over to even out the gel, then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. I'm going to go ahead and do one more coat to get the desired shade that I want. And after that is cured in the lamp, I'm going to take this blush that I found for only 75 cents, what a deal. And I'm going to apply that to my nails. Now there's 2 ways that you could do it. You can pat the powder into the sticky layer of gel, because usually gel is kind of sticky after you cure it in the lamp. But you know, my gel was just not giving me sticky enough after I cured it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this nail foil glue. What is nail foil glue, you might ask? Well, it is a clear gel that you apply to the nail, and after it's cured in the lamp, it leaves your nail super sticky. It is ideal for foil and any other sticky needs you might have. I don't want the powder all over the nail because if you notice with this blush nail look, it's very blushy in the middle of the nail. So I'm going to apply the nail foil glue to the center of the nail. And like I said, you could probably just get away with patting the blush into the sticky layer of the gel after it's cured, but I just don't know why mine wasn't sticky enough. You know, this nail foil glue is kind of fun to use. After my nails are fully blushed up, I'm going to go ahead and seal that powder in with a nice glossy top coat. But you know what? This would probably look really cool matte too. So keep that in mind. I love how these nails turned out. They're very blushy. I like them on the Stellite link, and I highly recommend trying this out if you like more of a natural neutral look, because it's most likely going to go with a lot of different outfits and be perfect for different holidays like Valentine's Day. You know, why don't we try doing this without any gel? But for that, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next. Me out. Bye.